We're live. I can do this. By the cosmos, that is your Earth there, Tierra, on the moon, yes. The moon. Little kid. Potawatomi, the Indian tribe. I'm going native. And I'm in the maze mania. I've done them all. I'm 23 years old. I was 23. Big hair. Edgar Hoover. Edgar Hoover. This is a study of communism. We're going to study this book. Look at the owl. Man, these guys are all Masonic. You know it. Uh-oh.
Freshen up your kitchen with new dishes at Hobby Lobby. Maybe your taste in plates is classic.
Or You're fired. That was Mars, Earth and Mars. I'm going to read the foreword. Okay? It's very short. And it was written 1962 by J. Edgar Hoover. Wow, we got an anniversary coming up. May. I'm going to pull up that chart, May 1952, and find out what kind of presence of mind this gentleman had when he wrote this book. And I like the cover. It's got his autograph. So yeah, we're going to read the foreword. Moving forward. J. Edgar Hoover is eminently qualified as an authority on communism. Okay. J. Edgar Hoover is eminently qualified as an authority on communism. Since 1924, he has been the director of the Federal Bureau of Investigation, the broad responsibilities of which include jurisdiction in internal security matters involving communism, espionage, sabotage, and related subversive activities. In fulfilling these responsibilities, the FBI conducts numerous investigations and extensive research regarding all phases of communist activity. A study of communism, an outgrowth of Mr. Hoover's long first-hand experience, provides a penetrating analysis of the communist threat to freedom. Copyright 1962, Holt, Reinhardt, and Winston. Published October 1962, second printing September 1962, third printing October 1962. What do you mean? 222. Okay, the forward. Today's headlines remind us there has been no basic change in communist imperialism. The danger which world communism presents to the free nations has not abated. If anything, it has increased. We will not be able to preserve and develop adequately our heritage of freedom without continually adding to our knowledge of the nature of communism and its totalitarian objectives. Damn these.
It doesn't actually matter. Eggs are great for dogs. So have it.
Well, you suck
Apples or grapes.
for commercials.
This is easy.
All right. So there is the first paragraph of the forward.